What do you think you'll say to him?
Who said it? I don't
No,
understand question.
while you're fighting him, what do you think you'll say to him while you're fighting him, while you're smashing him, you said? What do you think you'll
Like
say?
why I
No, because sometimes you like to talk to your opponent. Michael Johnson, give
yeah
up. What do you think you'll say?
with him
Yeah.
with him like I know but maybe about give up we're gonna talk because he give up all the time. He give up. I'm gonna tell him, hey, don't give up. Let's go. Keep going. We have to go. With you, a lot of Irish people. With you, a lot of Irish people who talk English, but who talk real Ireland language. These guys don't support you, but it's okay. You can give up. you know, it's like
Khabib, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. It means the world that you would come on the show 5 days before the biggest fight of your life. I wish the best to you and your family. I
thank
wish the best in the final week. Salam alaikum, my brother.
you.
I really appreciate it.
Ariel,
Yes.
Ariel, you understand? I stay loyal with you.
Yes.
Be loyal, you too.
Always. You remember there was a time, 2 years you didn't fight, and you would come on the show all the time. We never
I
forgot.
remember everything. Hey, I follow about you. I followed everything. Be careful.
What do you mean, be careful?
Just be careful, and that's it. Like Connor, I'm gonna call your friend and tell this guy, hey, I'm gonna give you money. Send me something about Ariel.
No problem. I have an empty closet, my friend, but go ahead. Look if you want.
Okay, bro. I have to go training. Thank you
Okay.
so much.
All the best to you.
Ariel.
Thank you so much, Khabib. Good luck on Saturday night. There he is.